Hello students, today we will start with Unit 2, Nature Cares, lesson The God of River from My English Reader. All the lessons of Unit 2 are based on how we should take care of nature. In this lesson, we will learn what are the causes of water pollution, what are the effects of water pollution, and how to prevent water pollution. Learning outcomes. Students will be able to enrich their vocabulary with new words, tell the events of the story in a correct sequence, draw a poster on water pollution, write a short paragraph on effects of water pollution. First, let us read the new words from the lesson. Cottage, garbage, routine, bothered, scared, polluting, surprised, guilty, experience, domestic, industrial, manure, instead, and pit. Now, let us understand the meaning of these new words with the help of sentences. Cottage, a small house. Ramu and his family lived in a small cottage. The cottage is neat and clean. Garbage, useless or waste material. We should always throw the garbage into the dustbin. The garbage collector comes to collect the garbage thrice a week. Routine, a usual or fixed way of doing things. The picture here depicts the daily routine of Tina. My daily routine is to study for 2 hours. Bothered, worried or concerned about someone or something. Rina was bothered about her grandmother's health. He is not bothered about his studies. Scared, frightened. I am scared of darkness. The loud noise scared the baby. Polluting, making dirty. We should stop polluting the rivers. Smoke from vehicles is polluting the air. Surprised, unexpected event. The beautiful gift gifted by my parents surprised me. I was surprised to see my friend after 10 years. Guilty, feeling ashamed. Tony is guilty of lying to his mother. I am feeling guilty for my mistake. Experience, knowledge, or skill that you gain from doing a job or activity. The online classes were new experience for both teachers and students. My mother shares her personal experience with me. Domestic related to home. The dog is a domestic animal. A homemaker has many domestic duties. Industrial related to industry. Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu are the largest industrial states in India. India exports all kinds of industrial products. Manure, waste material used for fertilizing land. Manure improves the soil fertility. The farmer was spreading the manure in the field. Pit, a large hole in the ground. They dug a pit in the background to throw the garbage into it. There was a pit in the center of the road. Instead, in place of someone or something. Lisa likes to eat cupcake instead of apple. Instead of Rahul, his wife went to the party. After understanding the meaning of new words, now let's begin with the story of lesson The God of River. Kishan was a farmer who lived in a small cottage in a village called Dhampur. He had a son Ramesh. Ramesh was 11 years old. Whenever his mother cleaned the house, she told him to collect the garbage and throw it away. He threw the garbage into the river that flowed near their cottage. This was his daily routine. Soon the place where he and other families threw the garbage became very dirty and smelly. One day, when Ramesh was about to throw the garbage, a man came out of the river holding a golden pot full of water in his hand. Ramesh asked the man who he was and why he was so sad. The man told Ramesh that he was the god of river and was sad because he and others polluted his water by throwing garbage into it. The god of river also told him how the chemicals and plastics of the garbage harmed the aquatic animals. It has germs too. The person who drinks this water might catch diseases like typhoid and jaundice. Ramesh was surprised to know all this. He felt guilty for polluting the river. He took his garbage and went back to his home. Next day, he shared his experience with his classmates and teacher. The teacher gave him more information about water pollution. He advised him to dig a pit outside his house to dump the garbage. After a few days, this garbage will turn into manure. His father can use the manure in his field. Ramesh was very happy at the idea. His father dug a pit the same day and they started throwing the garbage into the pit instead of throwing it into the river. So, students, this story tells us that we should not pollute water. Water is essential for life. We cannot think of life without water. So, we should not make it dirty. We should not throw anything into the water that pollutes it and make it unfit to use. We can spread awareness among others by making catchy posters on water pollution and stick them at important places. We should take a vow not to throw rubbish into the water. Art integrated activity. Students will draw a poster on water pollution. Competency based learning. Students will write a short paragraph on effects of water pollution and paste or draw pictures of the same.